Welcome back to Primetime News. From weddings to weekend pop-ups, there's a new way to toast. One local entrepreneur is tapping into this on-the-go beverage service. Here's Deidre Thomas with this evening's Business Review.
At a time when bars and restaurants were scaling back and shutting down, Cocktails to Go 876 was shaking up the industry.
As the name states, it's a cocktail to go.
CEO and founder Orain Reed, with a decade of experience in the hospitality industry, was laid off from his job during the heights of the COVID-19 pandemic. As fate would have it, knowing of his ability to mix things up, a close friend made a simple request.
She was having a girls' night. That's a friend from Olaba called Stacy, and she wanted something other than the norm to have with her girls. So she asked us just to make something from home for her. We did. After we delivered the product, she reached out that the girls really loved it, and we immediately sat and came up with the name.
With just $19, the young entrepreneur made his initial investment purchasing cocktail making tools online. Soon after, what began as just a side hustle turned into a full-scale business. By the end of 2020, the business sold over 2,000 cocktails, and the orders kept pouring in.
We have done 1,500, we have done 4,000. It's based on the client, and we have the manpower to get it done. We have close to 10 staff employed directly to us, and then we contract out the staff we need to do an event.
Fast forward to 2023, and the business has brought in over $5 million in revenue and has grown beyond Jamaica's borders.
We have our silent partner in Florida. What we do is we give him the recipes, he purchases the products, and sometimes we have a video call, and he creates the product and distributes it to his customers.
Cocktails to Go has expanded even further with the addition of 2 new arms.
We have an ice business, and also we do a dehydration business. On the downtime, we had a lot of ice from the ice machines, so we started to package it, and then with the network that I created while working, we got customers easily. Also, with the dehydrated fruits, there is not a lot of persons in the Caribbean who offer that service, and we saw it as a market niche, and we take advantage of it.
It hasn't always been smooth sipping for the company. Shaking things up behind the scenes has been as challenging as mixing the perfect blend.
We are problem solvers, so basically once we are on our way, we're going to get there, and we're going to get it done.
With this unique business model and new ventures, Cocktails to Go 876 is a refreshing take on what it means to celebrate, bringing the party to you. For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.